Improvements to the next-generation Volvo Active Driver Assist have made the industry's best collision avoidance system even better. Now standard in all 2021 Volvo VNL and VNR models, Volvo Active Driver Assist has the potential to decrease the risk of front-end and rear-end collisions by 82%. The integrated radar and camera helps drivers maintain a safe following distance and can even bring the vehicle to a complete stop in an emergency. The radar system monitors up to 500 feet ahead of the vehicle, while the camera makes intelligent decisions about what's on the road ahead. It provides up to 3.5 seconds for the driver to react and includes a heads-up warning in the windshield before the system engages to bring the vehicle to a stop. Today's Volvo Active Driver Assist includes important new safety features as well. The automatic emergency braking system has been enhanced, decreasing stopping distance at even higher speeds. It will now also identify secondary vehicles and continue braking even if a lane change is made. The new blind spot radar monitors a 150-degree view to alert the driver of vehicles that may be out of sight on the passenger side. The advanced lane departure system now senses both if the vehicle is drifting into an adjacent lane or off the highway. And Cruise Auto Resume brings the truck back to original cruising speed when safe distances are reestablished. We're always working to make our highways safer, so someday there simply aren't accidents involving a Volvo truck. The new Volvo Active Driver Assist, for all of us.